meMiner here. I have two things to show you today. The first one being a dirty rock that is actually quite valuable. And the second, the tool I'm going to use to clean it. I think you're going to enjoy this. Come join me. I found this rock metal detecting at an old silver mine. It was amongst the waste rock, weighs about 3 pounds, almost solid silver. So the melt value of the silver is probably $600 to $700 US, but collective value could be 3 to 4 times that. As such, I want to be very careful when I clean this rock, so I don't cause it any unnecessary harm. The tool is called a fabric gun. I've seen various models for sale online. I bought mine at a rock and mineral show in Toronto last year. It cleans by blasting the dirt away with a very fine, strong jet of water. In fact, if you had your hand too close to the nozzle, it could cut your skin. So the trick when cleaning a rock is to hold it close enough that it removes the dirt and far enough away that you don't harm your rock. This is such a fun way to clean a rock. There is something so very satisfying watching larger dirt particles dance away and the stain removed. I have found it's more efficient and much faster, and I do get a better result than when I just use a toothbrush and soap. In all, this effort took about 10 minutes. Ooh, a 10 gauge. I've never handled one of these before. This is my rifle, this is my gun, this is for fighting, this is for fun.